unveiling talents, and animated conversation.
Hey everyone! I've been working on this new painting series. It's all about capturing emotions through color and brushstrokes.
That sounds amazing, Emily. You know, I've been coding this cool app that helps people learn new languages more efficiently.
Well, speaking of learning, I've been practicing some complex guitar compositions. I think I'm finally nailing that tricky solo.
That's great, Sarah. I've been experimenting with fusion cuisine, blending flavors from different cultures to create unique dishes.
Max, how did you get into coding? It seems so complex.
It started as a hobby, Emily. I love solving problems, and coding allows me to create solutions.
That's fascinating, Max. And Lisa, how did you become such a skilled chef?
Cooking has always been my way of expressing creativity, Sarah. I love experimenting with ingredients and surprising people with delicious flavors.
You know what I love most about painting is how it allows me to express my emotions and tell a story without words.
That's similar to coding, Emily. I create digital stories with lines of code that can solve real-world problems.
And music, for me, is a universal language. It connects people, transcending barriers and cultures.
Absolutely, Sarah. Food has that same power. It brings people together, creating shared experiences.
You know, sometimes coding can be frustrating. But the satisfaction of solving a complex problem keeps me going.
I can relate, Max. Some guitar solos seem impossible at first, but with practice, they become second nature.
It's all about perseverance. I often encounter artists' block, but pushing through it leads to some of my best work.
And in the kitchen, experimentation is key. You never know when you'll discover a new culinary masterpiece.
Emily, how do you find inspiration for your paintings?
Inspiration can come from anywhere, Sarah. Nature, emotions, and even everyday life experiences can spark an idea.
That's interesting, Emily. Similarly, I find inspiration for coding projects by observing problems people face and thinking of ways to solve them.
I've always wanted to open my own restaurant where I can share my fusion creations with the world.
I'm working on composing my own music someday, and maybe even performing on a big stage.
My dream is to develop apps that make a positive impact on people's lives, like language learning or accessibility tools.
And I want my art to touch people's hearts and minds, conveying emotions and stories through each stroke of the brush.
Every day, I practice my guitar, getting one step closer to performing my original music.
I'm working tirelessly on my coding projects, hoping to launch my language learning app soon.
Guess what, everyone? I've decided to take the first step toward opening my restaurant. I found a great location.
That's incredible, Lisa. And Max, how's your language learning app coming along?
It's getting there, Emily. I've received some positive feedback, and people are finding it really helpful.
I'm working on composing a new piece for my guitar. I can't wait to perform it for you all.
Their talents and skills continue to evolve, shaping their lives and the world around them. What talents do you have, and how can they inspire your own journey? Do let us know in the comments section below. Get ready for a weekly adventure! Subscribe and stay updated with our exciting new videos.